Hey guys, welcome back to my channel once again. This is Abhishek, who is not a financial advisor. And sorry guys, I had to skip the basic introduction today because of being short on time. And I wanted to bring this video out to you guys as soon as possible so that in case if you guys feel interested in any of these stocks, then you can have a look at them and not miss an entry point. So anyways, so today we are going to go quickly through three penny stocks, which I see huge potential in. And I will also discuss my strategy and we will look at the charts, and my strategy would be to hold them for a short period of time, a time period ranging from a week until a month or so on. And as soon as I reach my percentage of profit, the target, I will exit. Now this is always my strategy when I invest in some penny stocks, unlike FRSX, ALPP, DSGT, which I have invested in for a long period of time, because these particular companies are based on really good fundamentals and have an incredible future. So anyways, I would like to clarify guys that I won't go into details of any of these stocks. I will just cover quickly a few important highlights and that's it, in order to not make this video more than 10 minutes long. And a disclaimer which is really important, especially for these penny stocks, is that I'm in no way suggesting you guys to buy or sell any of these stocks. This is just to bring these stocks up to your attention so that you guys can have a look at them by yourself. Please do your own due diligence, please do your own research, and then only invest in these stocks, especially penny stocks. Okay guys, so the first company which we are going to talk about is 9 Meters Biopharma, goes with the ticker symbol NMTR, is currently trading at $1.42 at the time of making this video, and as you can see in pre-market it's already up by 2.11%. Now is currently at the market cap of $288 million. Now why I think that this is just the beginning of that coming rise in the stock price? Well, because of the company's pipeline projects and upcoming catalyst. So here they are. So some biopharma companies take a broad-based approach while others focus on a specific niche, and 9 Meters is one of them. Taking aim at unmet needs for gastrointestinal patients, the company's development pipeline features drug candidates under investigation as treatments for short bowel syndrome and celiac disease (CED), two conditions that are both dangerous and difficult to treat. So, drilling down to the pipeline details, 9 Meters flagship product, it's a flagship product, larazotide, is in phase 3 development of the treatment for CED. Now, CED affects about 1% of the population, yet there are no approved therapies, and top-line data from the study is expected in the second half of 2021. That also means that again in second half of 2021 there would be a huge catalyst for this company which might trigger the price again, and that's why this makes this company a midterm hold for sure. Okay, so moving on. Furthermore, this past December, the company announced that it had entered an agreement with IBRIS, the European Biomedical Research Institute of Salerno, to investigate larazotide as a potential treatment for respiratory complications due to COVID-19. Again, this is a huge accomplishment. And the other major drug in the company pipeline is NM002 for SBS. The company has recently announced positive phase 1b and 2a results with a measurable impact on disease symptoms from a compound that was well tolerated by patients. So this is a step forward in the research. And one of these NMTR bulls named Devarakonda, citing larazotide as a key component of his bullish thesis, the analyst noted, "We acknowledge investors are likely to see a pivotal trial in a tough-to-crack celiac disease program as high risk despite encouraging phase 2b data, and they model or expect a $353 million in the peak adjusted sales and see potential upside of 400% to 1650% from positive phase 3 readout." And what does this mean for the investors? Well, this means taking an early advantage of the cheap stock price. But guys, that's just my opinion. This is not a financial advice. So moving on. Devarakonda also sees significant unmet needs in SBS, bowel syndrome, and continues to believe that NM002 or 002, I don't know how to name this drug as, has a differentiated profile versus SOC. His key takeaways from the recent phase 1b/2a results include: we believe that drugs showed early activity in SBS patients. All 9 patients showed meaningful reduction in total stool output volume. Average TSO reduction was 42% from baseline. And second, responses occur rapidly with effects on TSO seen within 48 hours of dosing. And the third, the safety profile looks favorable. We would like to see greater durability. And all these points are actually pointing out towards research success. And now, just to let you guys know that this is not just me who thinks that this company has a huge potential and why I myself invested in this company 2 days ago. Well, this is because even the five-star analyst from the Wall Street gave this company a strong buy rating with an average price target of $4.33 with a high of $5 and a low of $3. So even from this point onwards, where the stock price is at right now, if somebody invests in this stock, and if we take the lowest price target, which is just of $3, then we still have an upside potential of more than 100%. Isn't this appealing? Okay guys, now just let's have a quick look at the chart and discussing the buying strategy. Well, I myself and my patrons have already opened up a position into this company, and let's say if I would not have opened up, then I would still not hesitate to open up a position, because as you can see, the chart has been making a new low highs. So you see, or let's say it has been breaking all the resistance, the old resistance. Yeah, so it has been breaking the old resistance levels and have been forming new support levels. And as you can see, this resistance level, a short-term resistance level, is already broken now, and this actually shows a bullish chart, and it has already crossed the stock prices above the moving average, and the RSI looks quite good, though it's a downward slope. But we have to see with the 1 hour or 4 hours chart to see if there is any divergence in the RSI with respect to the stock price. This is one of the methods which I follow in order to make a decision, but this needs more like more candles to analyze. So anyways, according to the chart right now, a 1 day chart and zoomed in, well, this looks quite a good chart for me, and I would not hesitate to open up a position at this point as well, because I still see that this might move in upward direction. And yeah, though there is a hammer here, so let's see. But anyways, I would definitely open up a position if I wouldn't have opened up a position before. And the MACD also looks quite good, not so much deviation, and this is a good sign as well. We had a small sell-off, but it's normal because of a huge green candle right here. This was supposed to happen, that the people are selling off, because this candle actually was the indication that it has broken the previous resistance, the highest resistance level. And if I was new to this stock, I would still open up a small position and then further see and observe the candles, and then I would increase my position. So yeah, that's all about this company. So let's move on to our next interesting company. Okay, so our next penny stock is Corporate Universe, trading with the ticker symbol COUV, which is an OTC stock and is currently at a price of 30 cents, which is currently down by 21% from yesterday and at the time of making this video, and is currently at a market cap of just $96 million. So why I'm exactly interested in this company? Well, Corporate Universe is to acquire Carbon Ion Zapgo battery EV technology company. And Carbon Ion actually is the company which provides technology like allowing improved energy storage, which allows the cell to be used as the principal method of energy storage in a far wider range of technologies than conventional batteries or supercapacitors. High specific power allows very fast charging. High specific power enables the extension of lithium-ion battery lifetimes and reduction in battery size through peak shaving in hybrid applications. Improved safety protects customers, allows easy shipping and opens up application in hazardous areas, and long cycle life allows energy storage to be installed for the entire lifetime of the device, reducing design complexity, eliminating service intervals, and saving money. And last but not the least, of course, recyclable at the end of the life. So with all these new upgrades and the requirements needed in the EV sector, and we all know how hot the EV sector is currently, then I'm sure that these small cap companies which are presenting and giving even a small bit to this huge EV sector can definitely experience small term but huge gains. So anyways, let's move on. So this particular article came out on December 30th, which says Corporate Universe Incorporation announced today several updates regarding the previously announced letter of intent for the acquisition of Carbon Ion, the company we just talked about in the previous slide, a high technology electric battery development company. The parties have been working diligently towards the close, which is now anticipated in mid-January. And this is one of the biggest reasons why I am invested into this company, because I particularly think that the company's stock price will be affected in a positive way when this particular catalyst comes out in the coming few weeks. While originally slated before year's end with the holidays and complexity of the transaction, this timeline has proven to be challenging. So that's why we saw that the price actually didn't move in the positive direction because of this delay in the acquisition. Okay, so like we already saw that Carbon Iron Energy and its affiliate solutions for Startup Ventures Limited acquired the assets of Zapco Limited. So Carbon Iron also acquired actually another company, Zapco Limited, which has developed a new category of energy storage device called Carbon Iron of C-iron. This technology charges 50 times faster than lithium ion batteries and radically improves the performance of supercapacitors, which you already saw actually, by the way, by using high surface area carbons and ionic electrolytes. The company currently has over 30 patents and acquires a decade of research and development. So moving on, Mr. Andrew Cespolidis, CEO of Carbon Iron, said, "I'm proud to join the world-class team at Carbon Iron. The company's scientific and technical foundation is the strongest I've ever seen. The technology is many years ahead of the industry, is ready for commercialization, and it significantly advances the current state of energy storage by many years." Now, Mr. Cespolidis continued, "Although this is non-traditional path to enter the capital markets, the process moves quickly, provides immediate capital, and will allow shareholders to grow with us. The company will move with laser focus on commercialization their products, as we will be moving towards Nasdaq listing in 2021. And this is the second catalyst which I'm waiting for. As soon as the confirmation about Nasdaq listing for this particular company comes out, the price is gonna hit the roofs. So these are the sole two basic reasons why I actually invested into this company and took this risk. Now again, guys, this is not in any way a financial advice. I'm not suggesting you in any way to buy or sell any particular stock. This is just to bring these stocks to your notice so that you can do your own due diligence and then invest accordingly, because these are penny stocks and penny stocks are really affected by the market volume, because people literally buy in thousands and this can really affect the price. So please be careful. Anyway, so let's move on. Okay, so now let's just have a quick look at the stock chart. And as you can see on 5th of January right here, the stock actually hit 55 cents. And since then, it has been in a downtrend. And then there was this big sell-off right here on at these positions. There was a big sell-off, which, and especially this big sell-off, which actually brought this big gap between the simple moving average and the stock price. Now, if we switch on to the one-day chart, so in the one-day chart, as you can see, the closing price is with a green candle and with the wick of the green candle ending at $0.3077, and it actually closed at a resistance point. So if you can see right here, this can be a short-term resistance and like at 0.307, and from here we bounced back at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positions. So there is a 6 positions. So there is a continuity, there is a frequency which is actually good to see or to confirm the resistance, and the closing price is closing at almost the resistance. So actually this indicates that there might be a reversal or there might be an upward trend from here, but of course we need a confirmation. So what I did was that I opened up a position at somewhere here at 0.3050. So guys, my strategy was to open up a position at this particular point, or just in case if the stock was bought earlier, then to average it down further at this particular point. Since more than a week it has been in a downtrend, and the catalysts are or can come in coming 1 to 2 weeks anytime. So this creates a huge speculation and more buying volume at these prices, especially at these low prices. And that's why so I took a risk and jumped in. And guys, please bear this in mind that this is just my opinion only, and in no way I'm suggesting you guys to buy or sell. So yeah, so I think I made myself clear, and this would be my strategy regarding COUV. Okay, so now let's jump on to our last penny stock. So our last stock in the list is, guys, Cloud Commerce, trading with the ticker symbol CLWD, and is currently at $0.0235. It is already up by 197%. So me and my patrons, we bought it yesterday, and it is also an OTC stock. But why I'm bringing this stock right now? Because I still think that this stock has an upside potential of 100 to 200% from this particular price, and mark my words, you will see that rise for sure. So the market cap of this particular stock or cloud commerce is at $15 million only, and the previous price was 0.0079. So as you see, me and my patrons are up by a significant amount, which is quite good for us in a single day. So that gives you guys one more reason to join our amazing family of patrons. But anyways, so let's not divert from the main topic. So why I am choosing this stock? Well, because of the following reasons. So before we jump onto some details that why I am so much confident about this company that it will rise 100% or 200% from the price where is it at right now, let's just have a quick look at the company. So Cloud Commerce is a leading provider of digital advertising solutions. Our flagship solution Swarm analyzes a robust mix of audience data to help business find who to talk to, what to say to them, and how to market them. And we do this by applying advanced data science, behavioral science, artificial intelligence, and market research techniques to discover, develop, create custom audiences for highly targeted digital marketing campaigns. So this all is a part of machine learning, and cloud commerce was ranked number 235th fastest growing company in North America on Deloitte's 2019 Technology Fast 500 team. So moving on, like I said, cloud commerce will be launching artificial intelligence advertising venture, which is quite a big thing, guys. And apart from that, cloud commerce ranked 300th fastest growing company in North America on Deloitte's 2020 technology as well. So like you saw that in 2019 they were ranked, but now again in 2020 they are ranked in the fastest 500 growing companies. Now Cloud Commerce CEO Andrew Van Noy said that it's an honor to be recognized for the second year in a row on this prestigious list of high growth companies. And apart from this, the results highlights which greatly exceeds the client's expectations include the school's website traffic and engaged users skyrocketed by 133% when compared to last year. The school saw a 46% lift in positive stories about its brand when compared to last year. Users consumed in excess of 10,000 hours of video highlighting the brand and its core values. The school experienced a 215% lift in new enrolls. So using this technology, these were some of the good side effects. And by machine learning and artificial intelligence, by using Swarm, the schools got a really good positive feedback regarding their sales and regarding their digital marketing. So the CEO says, although still in its infancy, Swarm is proving to be a game-changing solution for us, given our ambitious plans to invest in and improve it using artificial intelligence and machine learning. So guys, just to explain this shortly with an example that what digital marketing using artificial intelligence or machine learning is. So like for example, when you search something on Google or let's say on YouTube, then the new videos or the suggested videos or the content on Google are then shown to you according to your history or what you have been looking for or searching for. And this is a simple example of machine learning or artificial intelligence. That means a data set is entered into the algorithm, and then the machine, which is let's say the search engine, is then searching according to that data set and then giving you the results. So the more you search on a particular content or on a particular topic, the more data will be shown to you accordingly every time when you are searching for something else. Then the advertisements or let's say the content will be shown to you according to the history what you have been looking for. And this is what digital marketing is also about. And this is what this company is also doing. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. I'm really sorry that I mentioned in the beginning of this video that I will try to keep this video under 10 minutes, as short as possible. But I guess I just got carried away with explaining all these exciting penny stocks, and I just didn't want to miss the important details, though I didn't go into much of details, but still I just didn't want to miss the important bullet points. So anyways, I hope that this video will help you in some or the other way. In case you have any questions, then please don't hesitate to use the comment section below. As always, I really appreciate your thoughts and comments and will answer all of them. So with this, I will wrap up today's video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great weekend ahead. Enjoy a beer or a glass of wine or water, whatever suits you, and just relax, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy, and choose.